Welcome to Make Life Smart. Today's video feels straight out of the future. AI vacuums 2026 that feel like sci-fi. Floors stay perfect. These aren't just cleaners. They think, adapt, and learn your home like a digital brain on wheels. From laser mapping to hands-free automation, your floors may never need you again. Stay with us, because once you see what these machines can do, going back won't be an option. Introducing Dreame CyberX, the world's first bionic quad-track stair-climbing robot vacuum. This isn't just another smart cleaner, it's a breakthrough in how homes are cleaned. For years, stairs were the final frontier for robot vacuums, and CyberX was built to conquer it. Powered by its revolutionary quad-track bionic system, CyberX uses 4 adaptive tracks that lift, grip, and climb stairs with controlled precision, just like a living organism. No ramps, no manual lifting. It simply climbs and keeps going. Inside, advanced AI vision scans your home in real time, identifying obstacles, mapping multiple levels, and adjusting its movement on the fly. Dirt, dust, pet hair? CyberX attacks it all with powerful suction and intelligent pressure control even on uneven surfaces. Its self-learning navigation remembers your home's layout, optimizes cleaning routes, and returns smarter every time it runs. And when it's done, it automatically docks, empties, and recharges, completely hands-free. Meet Narwal Flow 2, designed to last, built to think. This isn't just another robot cleaner, it's a smarter approach to everyday living. Narwal Flow 2 combines powerful vacuuming with precision mopping, adjusting pressure and water flow automatically for every surface it touches. Its intelligent navigation maps your home with incredible accuracy, avoiding obstacles while cleaning deeper where it matters most. The self-cleaning mop system means no dirty pads, no mess, and far less maintenance. The Roborock Saros 20, Beyond Vision, Beyond Limits. This is where intelligent cleaning steps into the future. Roborock Saros 20 isn't just reacting to messes, it understands your home. Powered by advanced vision sensors and AI mapping, it sees obstacles in real time, learning your space with remarkable precision. As it moves, powerful suction pairs with an adaptive mopping system that adjusts pressure and moisture based on the floor beneath it. From fine dust on hard floors to deep debris trapped in carpets, Saros 20 cleans with purpose, not guesswork. What truly sets it apart is how independent it feels. The self-emptying, self-washing base handles dirt, water, and maintenance automatically, so cleaning happens without interrupting your day. Even in low light or complex layouts, it navigates confidently, reaching edges, corners, and tight spaces with ease. Quiet, efficient, and beautifully engineered, Roborock Saros 20 blends into your routine while raising the standard of clean. This isn't just a robot vacuum, it's a smarter way to live, powered by vision that goes beyond limits. Introducing Roborock Saros Rover, taking cleaning to the next level. This isn't just another robot vacuum rolling around your home. Saros Rover feels like a glimpse into the future of smart living. Built for homes that are busy, dynamic, and constantly changing, it brings intelligence to every move it makes. Using advanced vision sensors and AI-powered navigation, Saros Rover understands your space in real time. It smoothly avoids obstacles, adapts to furniture changes, and maps your home with impressive accuracy. No random bumps, no missed spots, just confident, purposeful cleaning. Powerful suction works hand-in-hand with an adaptive mopping system that automatically adjusts for hard floors, tiles, and carpets. When the surface changes, Saros Rover changes with it, lifting the mop when needed and focusing extra power where dirt hides the most. And when the job is done, the work doesn't come back to you. Its smart docking system empties dust, cleans the mop, and prepares itself for the next run, all on its own. Quiet, efficient, and beautifully engineered, Roborock Saros Rover doesn't just clean your home, it upgrades how your home takes care of itself. Meet Roomba Max 705, the combo robot with auto wash dock. This is not just a vacuum, it's a complete cleaning system designed for real life. Roomba Max 705 steps in when your schedule is packed and your floors still need to shine. Powered by advanced smart mapping and AI-driven navigation, it learns your home room by room, avoiding obstacles with confidence and cleaning with purpose. Dust, crumbs, pet hair, powerful suction pulls it all in with ease, while the built-in mopping system tackles sticky messes and everyday spills in one smooth pass. What truly sets it apart is the auto wash dock. When cleaning is done, Roomba Max 705 returns on its own to empty debris, wash the mop, and refresh itself for the next run. No mess, no maintenance stress, just effortless automation. It automatically adjusts between carpet and hard floors, boosting power where it's needed and lifting the mop to protect rugs. Quiet, precise, and intelligently designed, Roomba Max 705 doesn't just clean your home, it gives you back time, comfort, and peace of mind. This is smart cleaning upgraded.